Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hey guys, this is Barnu Namdar and welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. As you're all aware, we are here to solve your tiffin worries by giving you a new recipe for every school day. So today, I'm making Mexican butterfly. It's a pasta which is quick, simple, easy and nutritious. So let's see how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. The first thing, of course, is to heat a pan and add in just a teaspoon of olive oil. Once the oil heats up, the first thing that goes in are some spring onions. Allow this to saute just for 30 seconds, and while that's happening, I'll also add in some capsicum or sweet peppers. Well, these are loaded with vitamin C and helps you maintain immunity. Let's give this a toss. Well, if you wish, you could also retain a little bit of a bite and crunch. If not, you can cook it for a minute or so. To this, let's add in some American corn, which has been blanched, and along with this, dices of tofu. Well, you could pan fry these earlier, you could give it a little bit of a blanch, but you could also leave it like that. A quick toss. And in the vegetables, the last one, of course, are some asparagus. Well, these, I've just taken the tips of the asparagus. These don't need cooking, these don't need extra blanching, because with the residual heat, they're going to continue cooking even later. Time to season this with salt and pepper. A quick toss, and time to add in Kissan Mexican Salsa Sauce. Well, this one has the goodness of tomatoes, jalapenos, and while I'm using it as a pasta sauce, you could also use this as a dip or a spread. Trust me, it's amazing. Let's give this a toss. And finally, time to add in the farfalle. Well, these are the butterflies, as I mentioned before, or bow-shaped pastas. A quick toss, and off goes the flame. Let's pack the tiffin. My favorite diced kiwi. Along with this, some roasted almonds. And finally, of course, Mexican butterfly. Well, I sincerely hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and if you have, do not forget to like and share it and subscribe to India Food Network. And I promise to be back tomorrow to show you Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.